Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to discuss about the logical operator, that is AND operator. We have already discussed about the OR operator in one of our previous Python playlist, and today we are going to discuss about AND operator. Okay, so in your school days or college days you might have studied about the discrete mathematical structures, where you have studied about AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, and so many different types of logical gates. Okay, and today we are going to implement AND operator in Python programming. Okay, so before that, let's try to see like how is the truth table of AND gate truth table. Okay, so let's see. So two input OR gate. Okay, so this is the two input AND gate truth table. Okay, so here the condition is, so the output will be true when both the conditions are true, and the output will be false and when one of the condition is false. So this one we are going to implement in Python programming, and now let's see like how it works in Python programming. So this is one of the logical operator in Python programming. We have already discussed about OR operator, and today we are going to discuss about AND logical operator. Okay, so I have already mentioned here logical operator. Now let's try to run this. Okay, so let's take an example. I will give it as b is equal to, I have declared a variable b is equal to, I will give it as integer of input, enter the number. Okay, so here now I will try to mention the condition using AND operator. Okay, now let's see like if b is equal to, not is equal to, if b is greater than 4 and b is less than 10. Okay, and now let's give colon, and here I will print the final result as true, else print false. I will try to explain you guys like why I am giving this. Okay, so the AND gate basically works and basically gives the output as true when both the conditions are true, and the AND gate output will be false when one of the condition is false. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell, and now let's try to see like how exactly it works in Python programming. Okay, so I will run this particular cell. Suppose if I give the number, I will give it as 8. Okay, so now let's try to compare here. So 8 is greater than 4. Okay, and also 8 is less than 10. Okay, so here both the conditions are true. Okay, so true and true. Okay, so 8 is also greater than 4 and 8 is also less than 10. Okay, now let's try to enter. So here now we are supposed to get the output as true. Now let's see like what might be the output here. So we are getting the output as true. Okay, and here also we'll try to perform the same operation. So we are getting as true. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell again. Suppose if I give the number as, I will give some other number, I will give it as 65. Okay, so the 65 is greater than 4. Okay, that is true. And now suppose if we compare 65 with 10, 65 is not less than 10. Okay, so here the condition will become false. So here the condition will become true, and here the condition becomes false. So here I will give it as false. Suppose if I run this particular cell, now let's see like what might be the output. So here the first condition is true and the second condition is false. So when one of the condition is false, obviously the output has to be false. So we are getting it as false. Here also I will try to run this particular cell. So we are getting false. Okay, so this is how the logical operator works in Python programming. And suppose if you want to try with some other number, means let's try. Okay, now here I will try to give the number, any number I will try to give in between 4 and 10. So let's give it as 9. So 9 is greater than 4 and also 9 is less than 10. So here both the conditions are true. So true and true is true. So true and true is true. Okay, so this is how the logical operator basically works in Python programming. Logical operator basically says like when both the conditions are true, the output will be true, and when one of the condition is false, the output will be false. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.